What's going on, guys? Today I am back with another video, and today is kind of a good day. And the reason why that is I have an unboxing for you. And this is probably going to end up being a first impressions video too. But on top of that, recently here on YouTube, I have actually crossed the 100 sub count. So every single one of you, thank you so much for being here. And to celebrate that small milestone, I have decided to do something a little bit special. So stay tuned for that. If you follow me on Twitter, you probably already know what I'm gonna say anyways. But right now we are onto, I suppose, this is a headphone I have actually been wanting to try for a while. It's the JLab Rewind wireless headphone. Now, the reason why I've been wanting to try this isn't so much because it's gonna have fantastic sound quality or anything, because I seriously doubt it will. I really don't. Just because it's... Okay, so the reason why I want to hear this and why I just want it, period, is the fact that it is built just like the same headphones that I had when I had my Walkman so many years ago. If you don't know what a Walkman is, I feel bad for you. If you do not know what it is like to take a pencil, a number 2 pencil, put it in one side of a cassette tape and spin it around so you can rewind it, I feel sorry for you just a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. I like Spotify and all that, but if you've never done that with a cassette tape, your life is missing something. I just gotta tell you it is. But these are identical to the headphones that I used to have with my Walkman. They are obviously a little bit different. They are wireless, so they run off of Bluetooth, but it has basically all the tricks and features and functions that you would expect to have on a JLab headphone. So I'm just going to go through those real quick. It says you have a long battery life, up to 12 hours. I'm guessing that's probably at about 50% listening volume. I'll test that out in a full review later on. You got your custom sound, so again, JLab puts in their 3 EQ settings. Signature sound, balance sound, and a bass boost. I kind of already know how that's going to go, but I'll try and keep my mind open, or my ears, I suppose. And then it has, not touch controls, but it looks like it's a button on possibly the right ear cup, I think. And that'll tell you, or actually you can play or pause your music, answer or hang up a phone call, activate Siri or your Google Assistant, and skip your track forward. It doesn't look like it has a skip or a skip back on your track. But there are actually 2 colors. There's this one, and then there's a black one. I actually really like the white one. I thought it was pretty cool. So let's get into the unboxing video. And I don't have my pocket knife on me for some reason, so I will use this guy. Yes, I do have random knives everywhere. I almost always have a knife on me, so it's kind of strange that I don't have a knife on me right now. It feels weird, to be honest with you. But anyways, let's get into attempting to... Okay, yep, that's ripped. I could have done that without cutting the tape. Yeah, I could have done all that without cutting the tape. I really could have. So in here, it looks like you get extra ear pads, and hopefully those decompress a little bit because they have been shoved in there for quite a while, apparently. And we have a cord in here, I'm guessing micro USB right there. And usual books right there. 3 free months of something. 3 free months. Pandora Premium with purchase. Cool. I am a Spotify guy myself, but you never know. And then, where would you be without a sticker? And then on the back here, it actually has JLab's customer service line or an email address if you have any issues. So that's pretty cool. I have actually seen that for the most part, JLab's customer service team is pretty damn good. So I haven't had to use them. but from what I've seen online, it looks like I am just gonna have to go beast mode on this box and tear it apart. Now, here's what's funny is I'm doing this, and then watch. Eventually, I am gonna find the easy way to open this box, and that doesn't involve tearing the whole damn thing to shreds. Yep, there's gotta be an easier way. Go that way. You're in my way. Ow! Alright. Alright, where's my knife? This is getting on my nerves already. Hopefully I don't cut into anything that I want to keep straight through. Why is this such a pain in the ass? Because I feel like an idiot. Because I can't get my headphones out of the damn package. JLab, if there's a different way, please let me know. Because I am through this entire box now, and I still can't get my freaking headphones. Look what I did to the damn box. Just right off the bat, these feel almost identical to those old school headphones. There's not really a whole lot to these. They have the wire coming through here that connects to each one of the ear cups, and then metal band that goes around top, and then the wire actually goes right inside the metal band. So if you have a giant head, these wires will stretch out. This is how I rocked out to music back in the day, except for, mine had a cord and it was plugged into my Walkman. Now I'm hoping these have juice. I obviously don't have them hooked up to anything yet, but I'm hoping these have juice so that I could at least give a quick first impression. Comfort wise, the ear, I don't know, cushions? I guess we can call them ear cushions. They're actually fairly comfortable. They're a lot more comfortable than the foam padding that was on the old school headphones. So that's actually kind of nice, but just putting these on, it reminds me of when I was a kid listening to music way too loud, and these have absolutely zero sound isolation, so yeah, there's gonna be a lot of sound leakage. And I kind of almost don't want to do this on camera just because I don't want to get a copyright strike or anything. But I'll try and keep the volume low just so my microphone doesn't pick up whatever sound comes out of here, just because I have a feeling that it's gonna be pretty steep. So buttons on the right ear cup. Okay, when it turns on, it says hello. Right now, it said low battery and ready to pair. So it says that I have 50% battery on my Android device. I don't know how accurate that is, but let's go ahead and go into Spotify real quick. Okay, vocals don't sound that great. I don't really want to make it too big of a impression before I actually get it a little bit higher in volume. But I'm not really having any problem hearing what I'm saying just because there's absolutely zero sound isolation. What I'm saying is a little bit muffled, like if I had on earmuffs. But yeah, if you want a pair of headphones that you can actually hear stuff that's going on around you, these might not actually be a bad deal. I don't know what EQ setting this is on, but from what I could tell, the bass is a little bit emphasized, and it comes at the expense of the mids and highs. Just real quick, this is not in depth. I haven't even listened to any music on here hardly at all. I will say that I like these. I kind of wish that they folded up a little bit just so that they'd be a little bit easier to take with me places. But this gives me that old school, and I got a hoodie on, but this gives me the old school. I don't know. This brings me back to when I was a kid. I like it. I don't know. I don't think I care so much about the sound quality on these. It's just comfortable. You know what I mean? I don't know. It's just, like I said, it brings me back to when I was a kid, listening to my Walkman and stuff. So that's pretty cool. But anyways, that's all this is about. So I did tell you that I have a little surprise for you guys. For my 100 subscribers, I managed to pick up a second pair. And I don't really need 2 pairs of these, so I figure, may as well give one to you guys. I haven't figured out the whole logistics, anything like that, about the giveaway or anything, or how I'm gonna run it or anything like that. I will give all the details, whatever I figure out, whether I run it on YouTube. I have to look into their rules and all that with their giveaways, or if I run it over on Twitter. So, but I will let you guys know in my review video how everything's gonna work out. That way you have time to, however it's set up, you have time to enter and all that stuff. So, but I am giving a pair of these away. These are the ones you will get. These are actually more accurate in look to the old school headphones that came with Walkman and stuff, with the orange ear pads. I like that. I almost kept those, but just, I don't know, the white had me. The white with the gray ear pads, it got me. I don't know why I like it, but I like it. Anyways, I will put these guys through the ringer over the next couple weeks. Look out for my full review, and my full review will be the details of the giveaway. Until the next video, guys, I am out. Later.